a QR code on Revolut can help you to send money to a friend or either for them to send you money. And in this episode, I'll show you where to find your QR code in case some friends want to send you money, so you can give them your QR code for them to scan to send you money. That being said, let's open the Revolut app right away, put my Face ID, and let's see. This is my main account where I had the euro, and in the top left corner you can see a camera, either your initials from your name. I will press on them, and now as you can see right under my name, which of course is censored, you can find your Revolut hashtag, and right next to it there is a tiny QR code. Let's press on it, and this is my QR code. Of course I want to censor that. I don't want random money bursting into my account. And also, if you press the scan button at the bottom, you can now scan somebody's QR code, but just press on my code and let your friends scan your QR code right from your screen. Also, if you press on transfer, then on name at the above you can put an hashtag and put their Revolut tag. That being said, I really hope this tutorial helped you out to find your QR code. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I hope you do have a wonderful day.